Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to talk about what's new in the WordPress 4.4 release named Clifford. It is named after jazz musician and trumpeter Clifford Brown, and this is a major release, not a minor security update. It's a major release when it is 4.4. If there was a .1 or a .2 after that, it would be a minor release. So if you are unsure about updating your WordPress site to the latest version, I've got a handy-dandy step-by-step article that walks you through what order you should do your updates in. But in any case, anytime there is a new major release from WordPress, WordPress releases a little video.
WordPress 4.4.
You can find that video if you go to wordpress.org and you click on blog and you click on releases, and you will see all the different releases. So when it is a major release, like 4.4 was Clifford, 4.3 was Billy, 4.2 was Powell, you will see a little video with each release update. But I've included that here in my article. Now, one of the big changes is that, and actually, most of the changes are behind the scenes, something that improves WordPress, but you don't really see it. And an important one, which you wouldn't really see, is that your images are now responsive. So that means when somebody is viewing your site on a mobile device, and let's say you've uploaded a big image because you've got a big wide screen, WordPress will detect that your viewer's on a mobile device, and instead of loading up a giant big image, it will load up a smaller image that it has created for you. So what it does is it improves the speed of your WordPress website on mobile devices. It does it automatically. You don't even need to think about it. The other thing about this release is the new default theme 2016. You see, each year WordPress comes out with a new default theme. And here's an example of it. And there's a lot of things that it can do. It's a very sleek, trimmed down theme. And if you go into customize it and you come over to colors, there are different default color schemes you can pick, or you can change the colors on your own. So it gives you access to various different colors. And if you mess it up, you can always go back to the default. So you can go ahead and check out this new 2016 theme. The other thing that it does, and this might be a little confusing at first because it only works with certain links, but you can embed posts inside your articles. So let me show you here. Let's get out of this. So I've got this blog post. This is a practice post. And notice that here my Twitter link is embedded. Here I posted to my whole Twitter account and it was not embedded. And here I posted to a business, one of my fan page posts, and it was not embedded. So sometimes it will embed, sometimes it won't. So let me demo that for you. So here on my Twitter account, I've got this article, Is Your Site Mobile Responsive? If I click on the date link, I can get the full URL to this exact post. I can copy that with a Control-C. I can now edit my post. And let's just put this up at the top. Just put this in here, paste this in, and notice how it grabbed the Twitter post and embedded it inside. And I can click on Update. And I'll view the post. So we see here in my blog post, this link to Twitter is now embedded, and it's cool because you can just click and people can follow you. So this works really well with Twitter. It may take a little bit longer with other posts. So let's get this let's get the newest one. So we're on the blog. Let's link to this Clifford post. So let's copy this WordPress post and we'll edit my WordPress site. And let me come in here. I know this is a little messy because it's a test site, and I'm going to paste in the link to the other blog post and click update. And let's view the post. And here it has now embedded this link to this other article inside my WordPress site. So coming over here, I did this a little bit earlier. So here's a test site I'm working on, but I've embedded my About page over on my website creation workshop site. So that is how you embed posts. You just paste the URL and it will pull in the content from the other site. Now this last one I'm going to talk about is the comment box. And it used to be that before someone could put in a comment, they had to enter their name and email. And let me bring up this other browser. But now WordPress has put it so that the comment is first and then name and email and website optional for people to post comments. The purpose of rearranging the order is it encourages people more to leave comments, and it's just a better formatting. The other improvements were for developers, WordPress programmers, and coders, and for regular folks who use WordPress but are not programmers. Just know that they've made things easier for us for them to code awesome WordPress themes and WordPress plugins for us. So that's it. That is what's new in WordPress 4.4 named Clifford. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.